Welcome back. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can create a customer in Stripe on receiving a form submission via HubSpot application. So guys, if you're using HubSpot as your CRM system and Stripe as your payment gateway, this automation video is for you. Here we are going to integrate HubSpot with Stripe in such a way that whenever someone submits a form of HubSpot application, the same person will be added as a customer in Stripe automatically. And that is going to save a lot of your time and manual efforts. And we are going to set up this automation without any coding super simply. So let me show you how you can also set up this automation and automate your workflow seamlessly. To set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration tool. And this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste the same link in the description as well so that you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So you can just sign up right now from the given link and after that sign in and select Pabbly Connect product and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And from here, you have to click on this create workflow button and here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So I am giving the name here. Alright, and after giving the name like this, you just have to click on create button and you will see your workflow page getting ready like this. And on this page guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So our automations are based on these two things only. So trigger is that event which is going to start this workflow and the action would be an automated response or the consequence of the trigger. So in our use case, getting a form submission via HubSpot application is going to trigger this workflow. So HubSpot will be the trigger application. So search for HubSpot here. HubSpot CRM, okay. Then you have to select the trigger event as new form submission. And it will give you this URL. So with the help of this webhook URL, we are going to create a connection with our CRM, that is HubSpot. And after that, we are going to capture the response of this connection. So you can follow these steps written here to make this happen. Let me show you directly how you can create a connection with HubSpot. So under HubSpot dashboard, you will find this automations tab. Click on automations. And here you will find this workflows option. Click on workflows. All right, and under the workflows page, you will find this create workflow button right here. Click on create workflow from scratch. Okay. Then select blank workflow option. Click on next. All right. And here it will ask to set up the trigger. So click on setup triggers option. Here it will ask on which event you want to send the data from HubSpot to your workflow. Okay. So here you can apply some filters. So I'm going to select here form submissions option. Check this. All right. Then select the form. So you can select any form option or you can select a specific form. I'm selecting any form submission. Right. And here it is asking for a particular page on which the form is attached. So I'm selecting any page option. You can select a particular page as well. And here I'm going to click on apply filter and then click on save to set up your trigger. So the trigger is set up. Now you have to click on this plus icon to add an action. And here it will ask, it will show you these list. These are the actions available. From here, you have to select this send a webhook option. Click on send a webhook to send the data of form submission to our workflow and select the posting method as sending method as post. Okay, select post option and here it will ask for the webhook URL where you want to send the data. So I want to send the data here on this URL. Okay, so with the help of this, we can fetch the data from external applications. So you can just copy the URL and you have to paste this URL here in this field, in the webhook URL field like this. All right. And then you have to select, you can keep the authentication type as none. Okay. You can include all the contact properties and then click on save and this action will be saved here. Okay. Now you can click on review and publish, and this workflow will be published. And here it is asking if you want to apply this workflow to the existing contacts or you want to apply this to the new enrolling contacts. So I am selecting no option right here. Okay, you can select according to your need and then click on turn on to turn on this workflow. So the workflow is on, and here you can see as we have copied this webhook URL, here it started showing waiting for this webhook connections response. This means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means now I am going to manually fill the form I have created using HubSpot, and I'm going to submit the form, and that submission will act as a test data for us to set up this automation further. Okay, so here I am on the form I have created. Let me show you. This is the form I have created using HubSpot. You can customize this form according to your needs, and I'm just going to fill this form. So I'm filling the name of the person as test, and the last name is name only. And here let me fill the email address as this. Okay, this is the number, and here I'm clicking on submit, and here you can see it started showing thanks for submitting the form. So form was submitted. Let us check in our workflow now if we got the data captured of this form submission. So guys, you can see we have received this response, and here we have received the data like this. So started showing many things. Here you can see the phone number filled in the form submission, and here when you scroll down a bit more, you will find all other things like the last name, all right, the first name. Here you can see guys, in this first name value label we got the first name. Okay, and here we got the email address. Okay, like this. So we got everything here captured in this response section. Now I want to create a customer out of this data in Stripe. So for that to happen, use this action step and connect with Stripe here. Search Stripe, select it, and then select the action event as create a customer. Then click on connect. From here select add new connection, and here it will ask for the secret key of your Stripe account. So you'll get the key from the developer section. Let me show you that. This is my Stripe applications dashboard, and we are under test mode, you can see. And here we have this developers option. Click on developers, and under developers page you will find this API keys tab right here. Click on it, and under API keys you will find this secret key. So you just have to open it, and you have to copy the key and paste this secret key here in this token field like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Stripe. All right, so we are now connected, and here started showing these fields: the email address, the description, name, phone number of the person to whom you want to add as the customer. So guys, we have got the test data here in this response section, and I'm going to use these labels I have got in the first step, and I'm going to map the data here from those labels. So just click here guys, and the first step will appear here in the drop down like this, and by clicking on it you can see the email address that you have received. So you can search for email label. So here you can see we have searched for the email label, and here when you scroll down a bit more you will find the email value. So from here guys, you can just map this email versions 0 value label. Okay, remember to map this 0 value label. Okay, here you can map the email address. Then similarly you will find the name of the person. You can just search for the name label, and you will find the name of the person who have filled the form. So you just have to scroll down, and you will find this version 0 value. So map the version 0 value in the name, and you can map the full name as well. So this is the last name value label, just map it. Okay, so that's how you can map the full name. Similarly, you can map the phone number. Just type for the phone number value and map it. Okay, if you have the address and city details, you can map all those things, but right now I'm just leaving these things blank. These are not compulsory fields. I'm just showing you the demo. So here I have mapped the required things, and here we have this save and send test request button. By clicking on it, you can create a customer here in Stripe, So let me open the customer section. These are the existing customers I have. Let us check our connection with Stripe. I'm going to click on save and send test request, and a new customer will be created in Stripe in front of you. You can see a new customer ID has been generated here. Let us check in our customer section here in Stripe. I'm refreshing this page and we will see a new customer here. And here you can see, guys, we got a new customer added with this name, test name, and this is the address. This is the same details I have mapped here, you can see, and a new customer got added in Stripe. Okay, test name. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, you do not have to open this workflow. It will work silently in the background in real time. Whenever any of your real customer is going to fill your form, the person will be added in Stripe automatically. So guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description. You can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.